Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Alex Duetto, and I was just going to grab the old PID here. Here's the old PID. It's no longer working in 20 amp mode, and the customer explicitly wants 20 amp mode, so we replaced the PID. And now when we turn on the machine, it already is a little bit hot already. But now when we turn on the machine, you can see both lights are lit at the same time, which means both heaters are heating. And that it will only do that in 20 amp mode. So we'll let that heat and then we'll come back. All right, and we're back. And I'm gonna go ahead and make a shot. Now that the machine is nice and hot, see we get a beautiful shot of espresso. Nice crema. Test the steam. Nice strong steam. Test the hot water. Working nicely. There it goes to fill the steam boiler. And thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.